Hey, hello, what's up everyone? In this video I'm going to teach you how to calculate the navamsa chart or the D9 chart. So before beginning, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and click the like button, and if you have any doubt after watching this video, please mention it in my below comment section, okay? So let's begin. So you need to know what do you mean by the navamsa chart or the D9 chart before beginning this concept, the calculation part and all. So if you people who do not know navamsa chart or D9 chart, I have made a separate video on that. Please do go check out my playlist in my YouTube channel, so you'll get to know about that. Now coming to after knowing about the navamsa chart or D9 chart, you need to know the 4 steps that I'm going to tell you. The first thing is that you need to know about the houses, that is from 1st house to 12th house. You need to know about the planets, the 9 planets from Sun to Ketu, Sun, Moon, Mars, Rahu, Ketu, Saturn, Jupiter, Venus and Mercury. So these 9 planets you need to know. And the third step is that you need to know all the signs, zodiac signs from Aries to Pisces. And then you need to know about the nakshatras, that is the 27 nakshatras. So after knowing all this and learning about these things, the nakshatras, the zodiac signs, the houses and all, you need to see this one. You need to learn about the padas of the nakshatra. That is the most important part okay, of this calculating the navamsa chart or the D9 chart. So knowing the padas will let you know where the planet is placed in your navamsa chart or the D9 chart. So I'll give an example after the explaining this video, okay? So you'll get to know, you'll understand easily. So see, each nakshatra has 4 padas. So 27 nakshatras have 4 padas. So let's say for example Ashwini nakshatra has 4 padas, that is Ashwini pada 1, pada 2, pada 3, pada 4. Okay, so Ashwini pada 1 belongs to Aries navamsa, Ashwini pada 2 belongs to Taurus navamsa, Ashwini pada 3 belongs to Gemini navamsa, like that Ashwini pada 4 belongs to the Cancer navamsa. Okay, so if any planet, let's take for example Sun, you should be knowing all the 9 planets, right? So as I told you earlier, so let's take for example Sun. If Sun is placed in the this one Ashwini nakshatra, that is in a Aries zodiac sign, it will be in an exalted state, right? It will give very good results. But you need to see in which pada it is placed, especially in order to know whether the planet where the planet will be placed in navamsa chart or D9 chart. So if Sun is placed in the Aries zodiac sign in the 1st house itself, in the Ashwini nakshatra in pada 2, let's say for example pada 2. So that means that in the navamsa chart, the Sun will be placed in the Taurus zodiac sign in the navamsa chart. So you can, if you want to know, you can confirm it by checking it. So okay, so you'll get to know very easily. Now, so if you know all the nakshatra and all the padas and all. So let's say for example Moon. So if Moon is placed in the Aries zodiac sign itself in the birth chart, and if it is placed in the Ashwini nakshatra pada 3, so that represents in the navamsa chart or the D9 chart, Moon will be placed in the Gemini zodiac sign, because Ashwini nakshatra pada 3 will be Gemini navamsa rising sign or Gemini this thing navamsa zodiac sign. So if any planet placed in Ashwini nakshatra pada 3, that means that that planet will be placed in Gemini zodiac sign in the navamsa chart or the D9 chart. So these are things that you need to analyze. So I'll just give a chart in front of you so that you'll get to know clearly and you'll understand it very easily. So this So this is it for today guys. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I'll see you in the next video, that is Planet to Navamsa series in the third house of Dean and navamsa in Vedic astrology. So until and unless if you want any consultancy, please to contact me to my below given number, WhatsApp number in the description box, or you can even contact me to my mail ID also. So until and unless, thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.